welcome back to the channel and welcome back to our vlog. Fit check with tofu in the background. Okay, everyone, I am going to a solo date. What time ho gaya hai? Okay, I need to spend some time with myself and my books and have some hot chocolate, salad, or I can have like a coffee and salad. मुझे नहीं पता क्या करूँगी मैं, but I want to have something outside. घर में I do make it all the time, लेकिन थोड़ा sometimes you get bored, so yeah, wanna do that outside by myself. So we're gonna go and enjoy. I'm gonna take you with me, obviously. Let's go and enjoy. I really love quiet cafes because then I can sit and have some peace. हाँ होते हैं कुछ लोग, ऐसा नहीं कि मैं अकेली हूँ, but these cafes are usually quiet just for me to go and have coffee and read. I will eat the naan katai biscuit bakery item जो भी इसको बोलते हैं traditional way. Sorry not sorry, I like it dipped in the coffee. I am not apologizing for it, but अच्छा था. ખાવાની વસ્તુ છે તોફુ જો તો he's ignoring તોફુ he knows I'm calling. હા નથી ખાવાનું એ વસ્તુ છોડે ને. It's like a monkey. અહીંયા આય. અહીંયા આય. અહીંયા આય. Since he's teething and he loves wood, हमने सोचा इसको वुड का टॉय ही ला के दे दे तो एटलीस्ट बाकी चीज़ों को नुकसान कम होगा हमारा. एंड हियर ही इज़ ईटिंग आइस. तो फुल लव्स आइस. और मेरी जब आइस कॉफ़ी बनती है उसमें से ऑफकोर्स आई वॉश इट, उसके बाद आई गिव हिम द आइस थोड़ा थोड़ा से एकदम what do you say, crush करके, because he can't eat like the whole ice but he loves it and obviously summer is there so थोड़ा बहुत चलता है. फिर रात को मम्मी से डांट पड़ती है मुझे भी और तोफू को भी कि अभी आइस नहीं खाना है क्योंकि हम दोनों स्नीज करते रहते हैं because we get cold because of the ice. But look at him, he loves it, he loves ice. Finally Tofu has learned how to cuddle and lick. मतलब पहले तो सिर्फ he was biting and playing because he's teething of course, वो छोटू सा है उसको समझ नहीं आता, but now he's understanding that oh I love these people and then he licks and cuddles and like wags his tail for us. It's so cute, I love it. Hi berries, fit check. It's a casual pants, cargo जैसा है थोड़ा, and it's really cute corset top, feminine and girly like me. So we are going to my favorite place again, जो मेरी salad वाली favorite place है वो वाला. I am really craving good salads and craving yogurt, so hopefully we enjoy, eat a lot, and I film a lot as well for you guys. Let's go and let's eat and enjoy. ये पूरा व्लॉग आई थिंक फूड का ही हो गया है. ऑल्सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ डूइंग कैफ़े हॉपिंग जैसा व्लॉग, सो लेट मी नो अबाउट दैट. बट लोग मे बी जीने के लिए खाते होंगे, मैं तो खाने के लिए जीती हूँ भाई. देखो
It's so well. સારું સંભળાય છે, મને બી ખબર હોય.
તને ખબર હોય કે તને ખબર
Illuminati.
I love that movie.
I love song. મસ્ત મૂવી જ જો.
ભાઈ કોમેડી છે આ movie.
It's so well everyone. अभी मेरे को नींद आ रही है. I'm gonna go home and sleep. Bye. Bye बोलो.
Bye bye.
Hi babies, fit check, sports check, क्योंकि हम जा रहे हैं यहाँ पे एक रनर्स क्लब है इन द मॉर्निंग. इट्स 6 o'clock इन द संडे मॉर्निंग, ठीक है. तो इसीलिए मैं अभी थोड़ा सूझा हुआ है अभी. आई वोक अप, बट इट्स अ रनर्स क्लब एंड पीपल जस्ट लाइक रन टुगेदर, वॉक टुगेदर, लाइक वर्क आउट टुगेदर एंड फिर बैठ के लाइक सोशलाइज करते हैं, बातें करते हैं. It's like that kind of thing. So I'm going there with a friend of mine, और मे बी ज़्यादा लोगों को मिलेंगे. Hopefully I can film because I think I'll be really conscious film करने के लिए, but वो full mood में अभी सुबह सुबह. But hopefully we can like work out and walk and talk together. So I'm going to take you with me. Let's go. Let's eat and have fun. Tofu. We'll have our own workout. Let's go. Hi. Finally joined everyone. लोग काफ़ी आगे निकल गए because I couldn't park. Parking है लेकिन एवे ही पार्क किया है सबने. So I had to like find a parking space. But it's okay. All's well. As you can see, everyone is coming back. I wish I could run with them. I feel so terrible abhi. I'm already done with my 2.5. We are going back 2.5. अभी मेरी फ्रेंड का कोई नाम और निशान नहीं है बिकॉज वो हाथ से वापस चली गई. But like I said, I wish I could have run with the run club जो आगे गए. बाकी सब अपनी अपनी पेस पे जाते हैं. But it's such a beautiful street. सब जगह बोगनविल है बाजू में. It's really early in the morning, so हवा भी काफ़ी अच्छी है. कुछ क्रीपी अंकल लोग मिल जाएंगे बट ठीक है. This is a good place. I used to come here पहले, but फिर संडे को अर्ली मॉर्निंग उठना was not something I wanted. On top of that, अभी मेरा थोड़ा नी का इंजरी चल रहा है. So I can walk, I can do a lot of things, but I can't really run. And 2 दिन पहले for some reason मेरी बैक में कहीं पे जर्क आ गया while I was doing सूर्य नमस्कार and yoga. So I could not work out for a whole day. It's a big thing for me. लेकिन I can work out right now. लेकिन कभी कभी मुझे बैक में भी दर्द होता है. So back and knee both of them are injured. I can't really run. I can only walk. It's okay. It's okay. Guys, it's raining. We just completed. काफ़ी लोग यहाँ पे सब socialize कर रहे हैं. You just can see. I have a group as well. I'm talking to you right now. Guys, can you say just hi? Hi. सब अभी इंस्टाग्राम एक दूसरे का we are taking just like talking to each other. वहाँ पे planks हो रहे हैं, but because my back is injured, I can't join them. वरना मैं दिखा देती plank किसको बोलते हैं. Just kidding. I just had some water. They have coffee and everything as well that side. It's a good place. So I usually don't come here क्योंकि सुबह सुबह मैं उठ नहीं पाती हूँ. But here I am today.
and I think I'm going to end my vlog here. See you in the next week vlog, and hopefully a lot more things coming soon. Bye.